LangGraph implements a streaming mechanism to surface real-time updates, enabling applications to display output progressively and improve user experience by reducing perceived latency. This artifact demonstrates the core streaming functionality through the stream method, which iterates over graph state updates using the updates mode to yield incremental changes. The upcoming code snippet will reveal how the streaming iterator processes state deltas, with each chunk representing a discrete update to the graph's state after node execution. By specifying stream mode equals updates, the system emits only the modifications introduced at each step, providing granular visibility into the graph's evolution.
For chunk and graph stream. Topic: ice cream. Stream mode equals updates. Print chunk.
This code demonstrates LangGraph streaming capability, specifically using the updates mode to surface real-time state changes as the graph executes. The stream method is called with a dictionary input containing a topic, key, and the stream mode parameter set to updates. This configuration ensures that only the incremental updates to the graph state are yielded as chunks, rather than the full state after each step. The pattern is particularly useful for tracking granular changes in complex workflows, as it provides visibility into each node's output without redundant state repetition. By iterating over the stream and printing each chunk, the code showcases how applications can react to intermediate results in real time. This approach is more efficient than the values mode when only state deltas are needed, reducing both computational overhead and network payload size in distributed systems. The trade-off here is that updates mode requires the consumer to maintain state if full context is needed, whereas values mode provides complete snapshots. This implementation aligns with reactive programming principles, enabling responsive UX in LLM-driven applications where latency matters. The simplicity of the iteration pattern also makes it accessible while maintaining flexibility for more complex streaming scenarios. Let's break it down.
For chunk and graph stream.
Iterates through chunks of data produced by the graph stream method. The loop processes each chunk as it becomes available from the streaming operation, allowing for incremental handling of the graph's output rather than waiting for the complete result.
Topic: ice cream.
Creates a dictionary entry with the key topic and the value ice cream. This represents a simple key-value pair where the topic is explicitly set to ice cream.
Stream mode equals updates.
Sets the streaming mode to updates, configuring the system to send incremental updates rather than complete snapshots during streaming operations.
Print chunk.
Prints the value of the variable chunk to the standard output, displaying its contents in the console. LangGraph streaming mechanism surfaces real-time updates through the stream method, configured here with stream mode equals updates, to emit incremental state changes rather than full snapshots. The loop iterates over these deltas, printing each chunk as it arrives, which demonstrates how applications can react to intermediate results without waiting for complete execution. This approach aligns with reactive programming principles, reducing perceived latency and improving UX in LLM-driven workflows. The trade-off is clear. While updates mode minimizes overhead by avoiding redundant state repetition, it shifts the burden of state maintenance to the consumer. The simplicity of the pattern, iterating and processing chunks, makes it accessible yet powerful for tracking granular changes in complex graphs. By yielding only modifications introduced at each step, this configuration optimizes both computational efficiency and network payload size, making it ideal for scenarios where real-time visibility into node outputs matters most.
The stream that streams itself loses the topic before the first chunk arrives.